Well, everyone, iOS 26.5.2 and iOS 27 are two different versions of software that are kind of available. iOS 27 is a developer beta, so I really wouldn't recommend anyone going through and actually updating, your iPhone to iOS 27. But when we compare iOS 26.5.2 and iOS 27, the big thing I can probably tell you is that iOS 27 is substantially more, it's going to have a lot more bugs and a lot more issues. And iOS 26.5.2 is going to be substantially more optimized. So when it comes down to a stability standpoint, and kind of like a usability standpoint, iOS 26.5.2 is 100% going to be the one I'd recommend for you to install, and it's probably going to end up being a more optimized type of version of software than iOS 27. Now, iOS 27 does have the advantage, kind of, when it comes down to features. So you are getting more features inside iOS 27, which is really nice. And it's just going to be just kind of like a better version of software for the most part from a feature standpoint. But it's not going to be a better version of software when it comes down to you actually using it on an everyday basis. That's just not going to be the case. And that's pretty much going to be the problem you're going to run into here as well. So we're going to have to wait and see what happens, but in terms of that basically covers it up here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.